This is a quick video of my Aptiva S starting up Windows 98. I've just installed the factory Windows 95 and done the update. So this is it just starting up. I have a Windows 98 CD, so it may well ask me which I want to boot from. There we go. Boot from hard disk. I've also installed the Windows 98 Plus as well, because the factory Windows 95 install has Windows 95 Plus. So to keep it fairly consistent, I've done the same. This is still running the stock 266 MHz P2 processor, and it's got 32 megs of 32 megs of RAM. I do have another 32 megs of RAM original on its way over to me. To give it a 64, that hasn't arrived yet. That's it. That's as it starts up. I'll probably do a couple of videos of some of the Access Aptiva programs that come installed with it. I installed the updates and fixes so they still work under Windows 98. They don't. They get broken because of Internet Explorer 4 on these when you do the update. So. As you can see, it does boot up eventually and works pretty well. Thank you for watching.